Hello, my name is Lauren Teamy, and I'm the Ag and Natural Resources Educator for Purdue Extension, Delaware County. Today we're going to cover the sneak peek on food waste solutions for school, which is part of the unit Food Waste Solutions in the Nature of Teaching curriculum. This curriculum covers both language arts and math. This lesson helps students understand the difference between high waste and low waste options at school. All that's needed for this fun activity are lunch items that you would generally have in your home. So this would include low waste options such as chips in a reusable container or a reusable water bottle, as well as chips in a single-use container or a juice box. After this, students go through this activity and they pick and choose items that will help create the lowest waste lunch. For more information on this activity and others like it, go to purdue.edu/nature and enjoy.